100 Modern Front Yard Landscaping Ideas, 2023. Best gardening ideas for front yard landscaping. Be one of the HD Interiors family. To make your home vibrant, HD Interiors channel is your way to build a contemporary home. Need some front yard landscaping ideas? We've got the cream of the crop for passersby to feast their eyes on. When it comes to the front yard, a manicured lawn isn't the only way to go. In fact, grass may be your least interesting option. It's been out of fashion for 25 years, in my opinion. The fertilizer, the water, the mowing, all that energy goes into a green patch that isn't really doing much aesthetically. Front yard landscaping is a chance to set a distinct tone for your property. Your house doesn't start at the front door, it starts at the street. To up your home's curb appeal, we've greenlighted the best front yard landscaping ideas, plus answers to commonly asked questions. How can you make your front yard beautiful? When planning your front yard design, making the space beautiful is naturally going to be top of mind. Having an appropriate response to architecture is paramount to the success of any front yard. The scale, form, and materiality of your home's architecture should all be carried into the landscape design, so it's always a good first step to learn as much as you can about the style and design of the home itself before embarking on the landscaping. How do you make your front yard landscape? Once you understand the design of your home and the style of landscaping that will suit it well, plan your specific project. Start by developing circulation patterns for vehicles, parking areas, and pedestrian walkways in and around the architecture. Then you can begin to layer in site features and planting that relates to the home and become an extension of it. How can you make your front yard look more expensive? No matter how much or little money you put into your front yard, dying plants, patchy grass, and general disorganization will make the space look cheap. Every yard has microclimates, sun exposure, wind, climate, soil, drainage patterns, existing plants, and habitats that influence where plants will thrive and where you'll be comfortable spending time. Using these elements to guide design decisions will give you the best luck in creating a sustainable and long-lasting front yard. Take the time to study plants in your neighborhood to see what's thriving and what's not, and pay special attention to healthy plants already growing in your yard. Understanding the natural environment of your site will go a long way in making your yard look higher end. Here are the best front yard designs to gather ideas and inspiration. Embrace your wild side. For fans of a more natural look, consider growing a micro prairie or a tapestry lawn in your front yard. This type of garden makes use of native plants, flowers, and grasses to help attract birds, insects, and other wildlife, and help restore natural ecosystems. Native plants are most simply defined as plants that have developed a symbiotic relationship with a specific region or environment and grow naturally without human intervention. Microprairies are particularly great additions for small front yards, since the smaller the space, the easier they are to manage, and when done correctly, you'll get to see birds, butterflies, and other critters enjoying the green space you helped foster. Better yet, they're supposed to look wild, so it takes some of the pressure off to design a specific aesthetic. To grow one, you'll need to plant flowers and grasses that are native to your area. If you don't know which plants those are, you can likely find out through a quick Google search, or by talking with employees at your local gardening store. Choose an accent color. Keep things simple by anchoring your landscape with an accent color. Choosing one color for elements, like the door, trim, outdoor furniture, and flowers, can add continuity and cohesion to a yard, while uniting the facade with the landscape. Blues, in particular, contrast beautifully with pink, yellow, and orange blooms. Or choose an accent flower. Let your favorite flower pop by keeping everything around it neutral. Consider flowering shrubs like lilacs, camellia, or rose of Sharon for a big statement. Match your flower beds to your home's exterior. Looking to include flower beds in your landscaping design, but don't know how they'll look next to your house? Try matching the beds to your home's facade. Using the same material will ensure a unified look, but if that's not possible, you can find a bed color similar to that of the house. Ask your contractor to save extra bricks for future projects.